Welcome to homework.
So it says that a proton moves with a uniform magnetic field, and that magnetic field is given by B equals to 10I minus 20J and plus 30K. So the unit of the magnetic field is given is MT, so that is millitesla. If this was a capital M, that would be megatesla. Right, so this is the magnetic field here, and at a certain time t1, the proton has a velocity v equals to the x component of velocity in I hat direction plus vy in j direction and 2 kilometers per second. So why not we write it as 2000 meters per second? Right? This will make it easier for us. And this is in k direction. All right, so we have written whatever is given. Okay, no, not yet. The magnetic force on the proton is given as, it also gives us the value for magnetic force, and that is okay in vector quantity 4 into 10 to the power minus 17 newton in I hat direction plus 20 into 10 to the power minus 17 newton in j height direction. Right, so the question is asking us to find out what is Vx and what is Vy. These two needs to be found. We need to find this out. Right, so let us write the formula for force, magnetic force Fb. Magnetic force Fb is equal to what? Charge times velocity v cross magnetic field B. So this is the magnetic force, right? So let us resolve into components, because the FV, V and B are in SI. So if we can write FB is equal to, suppose, Fxi plus Fy times G plus Fg times K. So this is I hat and this here is J hat. And if we write V vector is equal to Vxi plus Vyj plus Vzk, and V vector, I missed a vector sign here, is equal to, if we consider this to be Bxi plus Byg plus Bzk, then what we can write is Fb is equal to the same Fxi plus Fyj plus Fzk. This will be equal to Q times, now the cross product is given by what? So V will be Vy Bz minus By Vz, right, and in direction of I, plus Vx, no, y, after y we have z, so Vz, after z we have x, so Vx, minus after y we have z, so Vz, after g we have x, so Vx, and that is in jth direction, plus again after z we have back x, so Vx, Vy, minus after Vg we have Vx, after Vx we have Vy, so this all in k cap. So if you compare on both sides and write out the components of only I, then what we get is fx should be equal to q times vybz minus byvz, right? So let us write down the value of x component here. So x is what? 4. X component of force is 4 into 10 to the power minus 17 is equal to, what is q? Q is for the proton, right? So for the proton, charge is 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19. So 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19. And what is Vy? That is what we have to determine. So right here Vy. What is Bz? Z component of B is 30 millitesla. So 30 into 10 to the power minus 3, because this is in millitesla, and minus, what is By? Y is 20, right? So it is minus 20, so let's write this as plus 20. So 20 into 10 to the power minus 3, this is By, and what is Vz? Z component of V is 2000, isn't it? Yeah, 2000. So if you now solve this, then this will give me, can you write it here? Yeah, this implies Vy equals to how much? 7000 meters per second. Alright, so this is our answer for part which? Part B. So this gives me solution for part B. Now let us do that for part A. So to find out Vx, let us see which components contain Vx and which is easier. So seems like this component, the kth component, is easy because we don't have anything in F, right? So let us compare the kth component. So Fk, Fg should be equal to Q times Vx Vy minus Vx Vy. Now since Fg equal to 0, so Q also goes in here. So we are only left with this expression here, Vx Vy. So Vx is equal to what? Vx by Vy times Vy. What is Vx by Vy? It is minus 2, because 10 by 20. So minus 1 by 2 times Vy is what? 7000. So this is equal to, therefore Vx is equal to minus 3500, that is in meter per second. So finally we figured out the value of x component of velocity as well. So this is the solution for this question. Thank you for watching.